So, dear guests, welcome to the conference. I would like to present briefly the secondary school education program of the National Academy of Scientist Education. Our aim is to identify young talents already in high school and bring them into a new school system where they can carry out laboratory work, listen to lectures, deepen their knowledge, practice, develop, become more effective competitors, get closer to research, and learn about the researcher lifestyle. And in the end, our aim, our final goal is reached when they become Szent Györgyi students as they enter the university in Budapest, in Szeged, in Pécs, or in Debrecen. How to achieve this? There are 3 levels of education within the secondary school program of the Academy: basic, intermediate, and advanced. We call the pupils who enter the Academy's secondary school program Szent Györgyi I pupils. So most of you present here today are Szent Györgyi I pupils too. They begin their studies on the basic level. They are involved in the professional programs organized by the Academy at the suggestion of their own biology teachers, who are called Szent Györgyi teachers, as you know. Let's see the regular activities of Szent Györgyi I pupils. First of all, they have to attend the study groups offered by the teachers within their schools. They are also expected to participate in the professional program organized in the regional education centers by the Szent Györgyi senior teachers. There are 8 or a little bit more occasions per school year. During these programs, they carry out laboratory exercises, for example, microbiology, biochemistry, anatomy, histology, etc. Prepare regular laboratory protocols. They are advised to attend lectures, most of which are given by the program's university mentors. They need to attend competitions. They are expected to attend the meeting of Nobel laureates and talented students. The professional work mentioned so far is currently carried out 20 center schools called Regional Education Centers. 19 centers cover the territory of Hungary, and there is also one in Marosvásárhely in Romania. Teachers working in these schools performing activities I mentioned earlier are called Szent Györgyi senior teachers. They are all recognized professionals in the field of biology or chemistry education, and they have decades of experience in talent development in these subjects. Currently, talent selection is carried out by 24 senior Szent Györgyi teachers covering the 20 districts. They are the ones who plan and organize the exercises and lectures in the regional education centers, inform the Szent Györgyi teachers and pupils in their area about the Academy's events, constantly develop the Academy's course materials, participate in developing the Academy's long-term strategy, take part in teacher training courses organized by the Academy, manage the Academy's database within their districts, regularly take their most talented pupils to the meetings of Nobel laureates and talented students. Starting in the next academic year, pupils performing the best on the basic level can move on to the intermediate level and become Szent Györgyi II pupils. The deserving pupils will be chosen at the end of this academic year by the Szent Györgyi senior teachers based on the following criteria: Let's see them. First, proven continuity in annual, multi-annual work. Attendance sheet database will be reviewed by the Szentgyörgyi senior teachers. Participation in activities offered by the regional education centers. Passing a theory test, problem solving at application level, based on the standard materials, prepared, recommended by the educational material developing team. 4. Participation in at least 3 modern biology practices, for example, gel electrophoresis, PCR, ELISA, etc. Preparation and submission of reports regarding them. 5. Possession of basic practical skills, pipetting knowledge, basic microscopy, and dissection practical skills. 6. Independent processing of at least 1 course material, preparation and submission of a draft. Possessing a pre-assigned source, solving and returning a test. Plus points may be awarded for results in certain biology and chemistry competitions. From the academic year 2023-2024, the training of Szentgyörgyi II pupils will be provided by the Szentgyörgyi senior teachers leading the national education centers. Currently, there are 7 such national education centers in Szeged 2, in Pécs, in Szombathely, in Gödöllő, in Debrecen, and in Hódmezővásárhely. The events of the national education centers last several days, thus provide an opportunity for a more in-depth analysis of a biological problem. Provide time to carry out longer, more complex laboratory exercises. Let the pupils develop complex problem-solving skills. Also provide an opportunity for pupils with similar interests to meet and make friends. The National Education Centers also undertake regular teacher trainings for Szentgyörgyi teachers and Szentgyörgyi senior teachers. This also helps the daily professional work in partner schools. The National Education Centers also maintain close professional relationships with the universities of higher education in human life sciences in Budapest, in Debrecen, in Pécs, and in Szeged, which make the work of the Szentgyörgyi senior teachers even more effective. Pupils who prove to be excellent on the intermediate level can enter the advanced level and become Szentgyörgyi III pupils. This means that the pupils can start working regularly with a university mentor. By the start of their university studies, they will already be part of a research team and can therefore achieve significant success faster. In this process, they are also assisted by the head of university relations, who is responsible for the ongoing of pupils from the secondary school program to the university program. The conditions of becoming a Szentgyörgyi III pupils are currently being developed by the Akadémia. As you could hear in the previous lecture given by Professor Hegyi, from this year, several local hospitals will be involved in the professional work with pupils. This will certainly result in an even higher level of education that will also serve the benefit of the talented pupils. The Akadémia considers it important to highlight the most successful secondary school pupils. Pupil of the Year award is presented each year. So right after my talk, you will hear this year's awardees presentation. Starting this year, the Akadémia will create additional opportunities for the professional development for outstanding pupils in the form of a scientific summer camp. It will be open to the most active and best performing pupils. The camp this year will be organized in Szeged, will be 4 or 5 days long, will take place in 3 research laboratories, and Szentgyörgyi mentors from Szeged will guide the activities. My colleagues and I carry out the coordination and implementation of the professional work presented above. I would like to thank them for their everyday contribution. Sándor Bán, pedagogical expert, he participates as an expert in trainings taking place in the national and regional education centers. Zsolt Nyisztor, head of the national education centers. He coordinates the activities taking place in the 7 national education centers. Robert Kertész, head of the regional education centers. He leads the professional work carried out in the 20 regional education centers. Zoltán Rakoncai, head of university relations. He is responsible for the ongoing of pupils from the secondary school program to the university program. At the National Academy of Sciences Education, we all work to make you successful and to have a Nobel Prize-winning researcher in Hungary again. In the end, thank you for your attention.
Dear Adrien, don't go away, please. So thank you very much for the detailed introduction of the program. And we are really very thankful for you to keep the secondary school program in Hungary together with so passionately. So I would like to ask András Varró, the chairman of the curatorial board, to provide you the certificate of the thanking for you for your commitment to the program.